In this video, we're talking about factoring trinomials by factoring the difference of two squares. So the formula is a square minus b square equal a minus b times a plus b. So let's work on the first problem. A, x squared minus 9. We see x squared has the form at a squared right here, right? And then 9 is 3 squared. So we rewrite it as x squared minus 3 squared right here. And you see it's exactly the form above, a squared minus b squared. And a equal x, right? And b equal 3. This is a right here, right? And this is b. So a minus b is x minus 3, right? Times x plus 3. And this is the final answer for this question. Let's work on another problem here. B, 25 x squared minus 9y squared. So you see 25 and 9, we can rewrite it as right here. 25 equal 5 squared times x squared and minus 3 squared times y squared, right? And you see 5 squared times x squared, we can rewrite it as like this. 5 times x, all of them square, right? Minus, similar, you see? We can rewrite this one as 3 times y, all of them square, right? Now you see this one is a, right? And this is b. We have the form a squared minus b squared. Now we just rewrite it as a minus b, which is 5x minus b, which is 3y, right? Times 5x plus 3y. And this is the final answer for question B. Let's take a look at this example. C, 4 times x cubed times y squared minus 36 times x times z squared. First of all, we can see that we can put x outside. Yeah, so we can rewrite it as x times 4 times x squared times y squared minus 36 times z squared. You see, for x squared, y squared times x, right here, you got that these terms, right? And then x times the whole thing, right here, you get a negative 36 times x times z squared. And then you can see 4 is equal to 2 squared. You can rewrite it as 2 squared times x squared times y squared. And 36 equals 6 squared times z squared, right? Now you can see that 2 squared times x squared times y squared equal to 2 times x times y, all of them square, right? And then 6 squared times z squared equal 6 times z, all of them square, right? Now you see the whole thing inside 2xy is a, right? And 6z is b. So you get x outside, and then you put a minus b times a plus b inside. So you get 2xy minus 6z. This is a minus b, right? Times a plus b, which is 2xy plus 6z. So the final answer is x times 2xy minus 6z times 2xy plus 6z. And this is the answer for question C. Now let's look at the last problem here. D. 32x fourth minus 2. Before doing anything, you can say that we can put 2 outside since 2 is a common factor. 2, right? 32 divided by 2, you got 16. X fourth minus 1. You see 2 times 16, you got 32 right here. 2 times negative 1, you get negative 2 right here. Then you can rewrite it as right here. 16, you can put it at 4 square, right? And then x raised to the fourth minus 1 square. Now you can see 4 square, you already have it here. X raised to the fourth, you can put it at like this, 4 square right here. You put 2 outside, 4 square right here. X square, all of them square. And this is x raised to the fourth, right? Minus 1 square, right? And 2 right here. You can see that we can put 4 times x square together, all of them square, right? This one, minus 1 square. And it equal to put 2 outside. This one is the whole thing is a, right? 4x squared is a, and 1 is b. So we just rewrite as a minus b times a plus b, and it equal to 4x squared is a, minus b is 1, and a plus b, right? You can see that we can even factor this out. 4x squared minus 1, right? We can rewrite as 2 times 4x squared equal to 2x, all of it square, right? 2x, all of it square, equal to 4x squared minus 1. Minus 1 is minus 1 square times 4x squared plus 1, right? This one have the form again, you know, a square minus b square again, and this is 2x is a, and then 1 is b again. We can rewrite as 2 times a minus b, which is 2x minus 1, times 2x plus 1 is a plus b again, and times 4x squared minus 1 plus 1. And we see this one is the final answer for question D.